Magic numbers you need to know. The curious case of 73. 73 is the 21st prime number. 7 times 3 equals 21. Flip it, 73 becomes 37, which is the 12th prime, and 12 is the reverse of 21. Math or sorcery? Twin primes in reverse, 13 and 31. Both prime, both mirrors. Add them together, you get 44, a perfect palindrome. Looks cool, feels cool, and it's pure number symmetry. 37. The pattern master. Multiply 37 by 3, you get 111 by 6, that's 222. By 9, 333. Every multiple of 3 gives a triple repeat. Coincidence? 100% not. The magical 153. Take 153. Cube its digits. 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed equals 153. It equals itself. Also, it's a triangular number, the sum of numbers 1 to 17. A narcissistic number. Literally. 1089, the always result. Pick any 3-digit number where the first digit is greater than the last. Reverse it, subtract. Reverse that result, add. You'll always land on 1089. Try it, I dare you. The repeating 100 on 42,857. 1 divided by 7 equals 0.142857 forever. Multiply 142,857 by 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. It just keeps rearranging itself. It's the ultimate repeating decimal. The palindromic squares. 11 squared equals 121. 111 squared equals 12,321. 1,111 squared equals 1,234,321. See a pattern? Each square becomes a mirror of symmetry. The 9 rule. Multiply any number by 9, like 9 times 4 equals 36. Then add the digits. 3 plus 6 equals 9. It works every time. 9 folds everything back into itself. 11, 22, 33. Master numbers. Numerologists say 11, 22, and 33 are master numbers, linked to intuition, building, and teaching. And mathematically, they're all multiples of 11, simple and sacred. The sneaky 100, 23,456,789. Multiply 123,456,789 by 9. You get 1,111,111,101. Almost all ones, except the twist at the end. It's like math left a secret signature.